I just got done with another upgrade, something little, but you know. So I installed my switch. And then I'll show y'all how this works. So I have my switch right here. I got some little stuff installed in it already. So I have my rear lights. Installing that. And I have the cube lights, which is these ones right here. And then for my favorite, I finally installed my FU lights. There you go. Them bad boys are finally installed. Let me see y'all tailgate me now, motherfuckers. And then for the last one, ooh, that boy got the underglow lights now. Look at that. We just got lit. Look at this. We just got lit. My hands are so dirty. We just got done with all this install. There we go.